Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to place your Joy-Con controllers into the Bluetooth or sync mode on your Nintendo Switch, or you can connect this to a different device like your maybe your tablet or phone. So if you take the controllers and you remove the black cover right here, there is this small button that we can just simply hold down. So if we hold this down, this is going to put it into the sync or pairing mode. You can see the light is flashing back and forth. So you will need to do this for the left one and the right one. And then you should be able to discover it on your phone or your other devices, or even on your Nintendo Switch now. So now, once it's in the pairing mode, it should be found by our Nintendo Switch. We can press the top two buttons and then the bottom two buttons, and it should be connected up now. You can see the light is now player number one. Otherwise, we can go on down to where it says controllers right here and select this. And then we can go to find controllers or change grip order. So let's go to change grip order, and then you can connect it in here. So let's press this, and we should be connecting now. Boom, there it is. And that is how you place into the sync or pairing mode. Otherwise, you can go to pairing, and you can just simply put it in the dock, and that will pair it as well very quickly. So let's view the other pairing options. So you can pair it via USB controller if you have the PlayStation style controller, or it says pairing wirelessly. Close this screen and select change grip order. Then hold the sync button, which is right here on your controller, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.